the government has made some important changes to the Job Support Scheme. The aim of the additional support is to recognise the financial impact of the pandemic on businesses, even if they can legally remain open. Under the original scheme rules, employees had to work at least a third of their normal working hours and be paid for those hours by their employer. The scheme has now changed so that employees only are required to work a minimum of 20% of their normal working hours and be paid for those hours by their employer. In the previous rules, the government and the employer each would be required to cover a third of the wages that the employee lost by reducing their hours. Rather than contributing a third, the employer's contribution will be reduced to 5%, capped at £125 per month. The taxpayer will then cover 61.67% of the wages for hours not worked, capped at £1,541.75 per month. The revamped scheme, which starts from the 1st of November 2020, will apply to all eligible businesses across the United Kingdom. Large businesses with 250 or more employees will still have to meet a financial impact test. There are no changes for the Job Support Scheme for businesses legally obliged to close due to lockdowns. For eligible businesses, the government will fund 2/3 of an employee's normal salary up to a maximum of £2,083.33 per month. Employers will be able to make claims through the government's online portal. Employers will be able to make their first claim from the 8th of December 2020. Covering salary for pay periods ending and paid in November 2020. Subsequent months will follow a similar pattern. The scheme will run for 6 months, ending on the 30th of April 2021. For more information, visit my website. Remember that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. Also, the law can change. And finally, please subscribe to my channel for updates.